Jai Sriman Also, when there is a big shed filled up with all cows, but there is no bull, their most beloved bull. When there is no bull, even after we put so much of grass for the cows, they are not eating the cows. The cows are not eating the grass, but crying for bull. That is how as and how that cow shed looks. Also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering with so much of pain. There are no businesses going on. There are no any kind of transactions going on in Ayodhya. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering with so much of pain. As and how when in a small pond, when it is so much of hot sun evaporates the entire water in the pond. When there is no water, all the animals in the water, as and how they die, as and how that pond looks like, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering into with so much of pain. When there is a huge big war is over in the battlefield, everywhere there are so many broken legs and body parts and all the animals, chariots everywhere, as and how that kind of battlefield looks. Also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering with so much of pain. When there is so much of wind, as and how ocean water jumps, and when there is again suddenly wind is gone, that water comes down. So also this Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. It is all just silent. That such silent Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into with so much of pain. When there is a star in the sky, suddenly it gone. The star goes out of its own orbit because all the good deed that star has done is gone. With that kind of effect, that star falls on the earth and completely loses its own light and punyam. As and how the star is looking, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering into with so much of pain. When there is a beautiful season, everywhere blossoming flowers in the park, such a wonderful trees, suddenly when there is some flame comes and fire comes, then that fire completely burns out entire park. As and how that looks, so also now Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into with so much of pain. Bharata is entering into Ayodhya. How is that Ayodhya now? Ayodhya is like a place where all the plates and glasses are broken and there is no water in the water place. Usually people gives water in the summer to all the people, making it as a place where water is available. But such place, if there is no water and all the pots and glasses are broke, as and how that looks, the Ayodhya is also looking like that. Into such Ayodhya now Bharata is entering. As and how in the battlefield, if the bow and arrows all are broke down and with the attack of the enemies, as and how the bow broke and pieces into pieces and fell on the floor in the battlefield, as and how that looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Bhumau banaihi vinishkrutam patitam jyami vayudhavat. That kind of Ayodhya now Bharata is entering into. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.